Hey Android users. Do emergency alerts keep repeating themselves? Do emergency alerts keep repeating themselves? Don't despair. Let's fix it. The answer is to choose Settings from your home screen, then select Connections, and find Wireless Emergency Alerts. Or, on an older version of Android, open Messaging and select the menu in the upper right-hand corner and then choose Settings. Select More and find Emergency Alerts. The key setting you are looking for is Alert Reminders. Make sure to turn those off. Voila! Problem solved. Thanks, Alertable!